breathlessness, coughing and fatigue, all symptoms that Maria, a person with COPD, has to deal with on a daily basis. COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, is a lung disease that is likely to get worse over time. And that's not all for Maria. She also has chronic heart failure and anxiety. This greatly impacts Maria's quality of life. And Maria is not alone. 9 to 16% of the European population has COPD. At least 80% of those people also have one or more other chronic diseases. Maria manages her symptoms with medication recommended by her physicians, but sadly, she often experiences intense worsening of her symptoms. This can be a COPD flare-up, but her other conditions have symptoms that overlap with these COPD flare-ups. It is very important that Maria and her doctors know what causes the flare-up as soon as possible, so that Maria can start the correct treatment in time. This is quite a challenge. To overcome this challenge, there is a new large-scale European research and innovation project called Resample. In Resample, all types of data, like real-world data, hospital data, environmental data, clinical guidelines, and previous research, are safely gathered. These data are then used to predict flare-ups in an early stage and help determine appropriate treatment for Maria. How will this look like for Maria? In practice, Maria monitors, for example, her inhalations, symptoms, and physical activity. In her daily life, she is guided by a virtual companion on her phone. This companion provides personal advice about lifestyle and exercise and coaches Maria in taking her medication. In case of a flare-up, the doctor and Maria are shown the data. Together, they make the most fitting treatment decision. The virtual companion further helps Maria managing her flare-up with, for example, breathing exercises. In this way, Maria can hopefully receive tailor-made treatment as soon as possible. To make this happen, the Resample team is not only working together with Maria, also with other persons with COPD, healthcare professionals, scientists, and policymakers. You can be part of this research as well. You can sign up at the Resample website, resample.eu. Resample, a joint effort of different stakeholders, which all aim to set a higher standard of care for persons with COPD and simultaneous other chronic conditions.